Hello Pythonians. In this lecture, we are going to learn about dictionary operations. In our previous lecture, we have learned that dictionary is one of the important data types in Python which is widely used. Dictionary contains data with key value pairs. So for this lecture, I have defined the student dictionary, and in this student dictionary, you have key ID and its value student 001. Then key age, its value is 15. Then the key shoe size, its value is 9. And then the key sports, and its value is tuple, football and chess. Now let's see important methods we can use in the dictionary. First method is from keys. From keys method is used to create new dictionary with specified keys and its default value. Note that we can specify as much as keys as we want, but we cannot specify each one of its values. We have to specify a single value which will be applicable for all these keys. Later on, we can update the dictionary, but for now, this is how we create a dictionary with from keys. Dict.fromKeys. Now what is dict? Dict is an inbuilt class in Python. What is class and objects that we will cover in our separate lecture. But for now, just remember that when we need to call from keys, we need to use this class dict.fromKeys, and then we have to pass these parameters. The first one is a list of keys and the second one is default value. So list of keys is x, key 1, key 2, key 3, and its value is 3. And if we run this and store this in this dict variable, we will see that this dictionary is created with key 1, key 2, key 3, and all of them have same value, which is 3. Then we will see how to access these values in the dictionary. To access the values in the dictionary, we have two ways. First, by using keys. So for example, we will first print our student dictionary over here, and you can see we have ID as a key over here. We can access the value student1 by this way, student in square brackets, and we can provide the key name which is ID, and we can run this and you will see we get student001. But there is another way. We can also use get method. Get method works in similar way. So if we type like this student.get and in round brackets we mention the key name which is ID, we will see that we are getting the same result, which is the value of this particular key. But there is a small difference between these two ways. Now suppose by mistakenly I put IDs over here while accessing the value, and you can see there is no such a key as IDs in our student. ID is there. So let's see what it will return to us. You can see it's throwing us key error. That means ID's key is not available in the given dictionary student. Let's see if we do same with the get method, what we will get. You can see we are getting none over here. That means if there is no such a key in the given dictionary, get method will return us none value, which allow our Python program to run smoothly without any error. So this was the difference between these two ways. So usually I prefer to go with get method while accessing the values in the dictionary. Now let's move to next method, which is items. You can see that I have used this items method on our student dictionary, and the result is stored in this variable a. When I print variable a, you will see it returns us a list in which all the key value pairs are separated, and every key value pair is stored in a separate tuple. ID and its value is saved in this first tuple. Then we have age and its value stored in separate tuple. Like this, we will get a list of tuples in which every tuple represents the key value pair. This items method is very useful while iterating through whole dictionary that we will learn in our upcoming lectures. Then we have keys and values methods. As the name suggests, keys method will return us all the keys present in the dictionary, and the values method will return us all the values present in the dictionary. So let's say the keys method results in A and the values method results in B and print them both. You can see in the variable A, all the keys are printed in ordered manner, and in the variable B, all the respective values are also printed. Now we are moving to our next method called pop method. Pop method will accept a key and it will remove this key value pair from the dictionary. So for example, if we want to pop shoe size from our dictionary, before student dictionary was like this with shoe size and its value in there. But after popping up the shoe size, you can see this key and value pair is removed from the dictionary. Let's move to next method called pop item. Pop item method is totally different from pop method. Unlike pop item method do not accept any parameter. We can apply the pop item method directly on the dictionary, and what this pop item method will do for us, it will remove the last element that we have entered in the dictionary. That means in this case, we are creating student dictionary again, and the last item that we are creating in the dictionary or the last key value pair is gender and its value is male. So let's print the student dictionary. You can see this is our last item that we have entered, key value pair of gender and male. Then we will just perform pop item method on the student dictionary and you will see the results. Before it was like this with gender and its value, but after we do pop item method, it will remove the last updated item from the dictionary, which is this. Now let's move to set default method. Set default method is used in two ways. First way to use set default method is that you can use it like get method. That means we just need to provide the key name to set default method and it will return us the value of that key, which is 9. So this is the one way. And there is also second use of this set default method, that if we provide a key name to set default method which is not present in our dictionary and also its value by separating comma, let's see what will happen. You can see the set default method have created this new key value pair for us. That means set default method is also used to get the value of particular key. Also it can be used to create new key value pair in our dictionary. Now let's move to update method. Update method is also used to create new key value pairs in our dictionary, but in update method we can create as many as key value pairs as we want in the dictionary. If we want to create these two key value pairs in the dictionary, what we will do, we will just say student.update. In the open bracket, we will provide that particular dictionary that we want to update in our original dictionary. So we want to update students division and then we want to update its subject which have the tuple value. And we can perform this operation and you can see the results. Before, this dictionary was like this, but after we have also added division and subjects. Now let's move to copy method. This is very important method. This method is basically used to keep your original dictionary intact. I have created the copy of student dictionary in variable A and I have updated A variable with the new key value pair height and its value. Now let's see by printing A and student separately. I have printed A over here which have this height 5.9 and we have our original dictionary which is intact, student dictionary, which do not have this new key value pair. So to keep our original dictionary intact, you can use this method and you can update or modify a copy of that original dictionary. Now let's move to our last but not least method called clear method. Clear method, as the name suggests, it clears every key value pair in the dictionary. Before we do that, you might need to take a copy of your original dictionary and then you can clear the dictionary. So you can see I am clearing here our student dictionary student.clear, and after printing a student dictionary, you can see we have empty dictionary over here. Clear method have removed all the key value pairs in student dictionary. Now that's it for this lecture. I hope you have understood about dictionary operations. I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.